There are two main types of dangerous people. Some individuals directly harm others, such as thieves, predators, or killers, and others have the knowledge and power to do whatever they want and decide to use it as a benefit to achieve something. Many people are wrong about who they should be afraid of. The first type of dangerous people is easy to control. The government is aware of who they are and has the power to control them with rules and jail. However, the second one is more difficult to manage. They have the control to destroy a government and change the mentality of the masses. We pay attention to powerful people because we believe they can create a change. In this video, I will show you 8 ways to be a dangerous human being and achieve the power to control yourself and others. Number 1. Show confidence even if you don't have self-esteem. A person with insecurities and low self-esteem is a person easy to control. That's because they think they don't have control over their lives or what happens to them, and think they can't do big things like others, so they expect others to guide them. But even though everybody has their insecurities and things they want to change about themselves, you need to control how you show yourself to the world. If you have low self-esteem and show the world how bad you feel about yourself and your skills, others will see it as an opportunity to control you. However, if you are aware of your abilities but show yourself as a person who is in control of his life and decisions, nobody could use that to harm you. Number 2. Invest in yourself. We have all heard the saying, knowledge is power. The more you know about something, the more power you have over it. Therefore, investing in yourself helps you have more power over everything around you. Many of us have heard conspiratorial ideas about how the government wants to keep us ignorant. The explanation behind these ideas is simply because the less someone knows about something, the less power they have over it. A president can say that 2 + 2 = 5, and if I don't know math, I have no choice but to believe him. However, knowing that 2 + 2 is 4 allows me to question who I have in power and want to make a change. Number 3. Don't show others your life unless you are earning money with it. Many people love to show their life on social media, but unless you have a private account with just your family and loved ones who want to hear about you 24/7 or are earning money with it, there is not much advantage to showing what you are doing or what is happening with you. This is because people can use anything and everything they know about you to their advantage, and it's easier to control people when you know enough about them. Even Google, Twitter, and Facebook use everything they know about you to show you ads based on your interest. And they know that information because you give them the power to do it. When you're hard to find, you're hard to control. Number 4. Control how you react to everything. When you allow people to trigger your emotions, you give them power over you. A person who knows how to control their impulses and does not respond immediately to attacks or situations is dangerous because nobody knows what can impact them, so nobody knows how to control them. When you learn to understand how others react to different situations, you have the power to make them act in a certain way by making them react to something. For example, you know that your boss always gets in a good mood and accepts everything when he receives flowers in the morning, and you want additional vacations. What do you think you should do to make sure that he is happy when you go to ask him for the request? Send him flowers. Number 5. Be kind to everyone. People won't see you as powerful if you stomp around acting like you think you're better than everyone else. That isn't power. Truly strong people are kind. But they don't just treat their bosses and clients well. They're kind to everyone. So, be friendly and kind across the board if you're looking to boost your reputation. Number 6. Be humble. It might seem that being humble stands opposed to projecting confidence, but it doesn't at all. Humility is definitely a virtue worth embracing anywhere, whether in the workplace or with a group of friends. It's a trait that's often underestimated in today's culture, which values things like ambition and confidence more readily. These qualities are important, but when they stand alone, they don't bring success. However, when humility is added to the mix, you have a winning recipe. Humility, especially when coupled with sincere confidence and capability, allows you to demonstrate a tremendous strength that will serve you well in your journey. Number 7. Be predictable. It might not be the most exciting trait, but there is a lot to be said for being predictable around people. Being consistent exudes maturity and strength. When you're seen as reliable and predictable, you're also more likely to be viewed as effective and trustworthy. What better way is there to improve your standing and reputation than that? And lastly, number 8. Know when to talk about yourself and when not to. When powerful individuals sit down to have a conversation either with friends, colleagues, or anyone they are just meeting, you will notice that they ask questions about how the person they are speaking to is doing, what they are currently working on in their lives or careers. These people understand that listening more than speaking is the greatest tool for connection and learning, and that trying to assert dominance and making themselves seem successful by continually talking about how great their lives are is actually a sign of weakness and insecurity. You are dangerous when you control your life, thoughts, and actions because others can't use you to their advantage. You will know what will be the best for you even if others try to influence you, and you will know exactly what is the best for you. The more you know about something, the more power you have over it, so find a way to meet those around you while only giving them what they need to know about you. Invest in yourself, in your knowledge, opinions, and health. In this way, you will have total control of what others want for you, and you will have the possibility to think about what is best for you. Everyone has insecurities. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to drop a like and comment your thoughts on the matter. Make sure you subscribe, as we have a lot more videos coming out which will elevate your status in life. With that said, see you all soon.